Salamat.
Anong ginagawa mo sa minsan?
Ito ang ating fried rice. May itlog na yan. Ayan. Ang ating fried rice. Tapos magtinula ako ng manok ngayon. Lagyan ko ng papaya malunggay. Ayan. So it's ready guys. Tatakpan na natin yan. Ayan, kasi totoo na siya. Fried rice. Ayan. Maraming salamat guys, and please subscribe Mariam Vlogs 140. Thank you so much. Kaya hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel Mariam Vlogs 140, please subscribe and hit bell notification na rin para kayo updated sa aking videos. Bawang lang yan nilagay ko dyan guys, tsaka itlog, dalawang itlog. Alhamdulillah. Sorry. So yan, that's perfect. Oh, diba? Oh. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys, and please support Mariam Vlogs on Portrait. And make a love shout out to her. Make a love shout out to her Luxor. Thank you so much for the blessing always, and Allah give you more and more blessing. And make a love shout out to Ma'am Bioli. Thank you so much for always there for me. And also Sir Meryl, make a love shout out. And make a love shout out Sis Gina's channel. Thank you for the blessing, Sisi Angela. Thank you so much, Master GR. And Idol in the Mix Blog. Make a love shout out. Thank you so much, Kuya Nords. Make a love shout out. Sisi Xiaomi, Sisi Live Blue. Thank you so much. Sisi James, make a love shout out. And Sisi Kitty, Sisi Danas, make a love shout out. More blessings sa inyong lahat, guys. And make a love shout out. Sisi Joanna, Sisi Agnes, Sisi Josie, Sisi Seiji, and Sisi Remy Watkins. And make a love shout out Sir Larry and Sir Rod Trip. Make a love shout out. Sino pa ba? Make a love shout out po sa lahat. Sisi Kiteji. Make a love shout out. Sisi Aves. Make a love shout out. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Make a love shout out to all of you guys, sa lahat na nag-support sa akin. Maraming salamat, and Allah give you more blessing. Love you all. Love you guys. Bye bye. Love you.